Hi, today we're going to look at whether we use a curly "k" at the beginning of a word or a kicking "k" when we hear the "k" sound. So, which letter do we use? Do we use the curly "k" or the kicking "k" at the beginning of words? Difficult to know, isn't it? So, to try and make it a bit easier for you, this is how we know. You write a curly "k" in words that have these sounds after it, these short vowels, a, o, we write curly "k". And for other words that have got the "k" sound, we write the kicking "k", they're followed by a I or, sorry, I or e, short vowel. So let's have a look. This word is cat, cat. So "k" words followed by a, o, or This is a short a. So we know we put a curly "k" there instead of a kicking "k". Co, o, p. There's o. So we know we put a curly "k" there. Co, o, p. This word, cup, k, o, p. See, we have a short sound here and a short sound here. That's how we know that we write curly "k" there. The same with this one, because that's got a short sound, and this one's got a short sound. This one's got a short sound, so we write them all with curly "k". Anything with a short o, like this one, ot, odd, short curly sound, sorry, curly "k" sound, ab, curly "k" sound. Okay, let's change colours. So, words that begin with a kicking "k" usually have a short e or I following them. Let's have a read. K, I, you see I there? There you go, I. So you know it's a kicking "k" instead of a curly "k". K, I, s. So it's kicking "k". K, I, d. So you know it's a kicking "k". Now we've got a person's name, K-N, K-E-N. So it begins with a kicking "k". We have another E here, K-E, G, and K-E. That says E this time instead of E, but it's still a E or E vowel, so it would begin with a kicking "k". And we have kit, K-I. So let's see if you can do this. If you could download this and print it, that would be great. And then what I'd like you to do is to find the right "k" and write it here. Is it a kicking "k" or a curly "k"? So "k" words have I and E, short vowels. So it's got an I, so that's got to be a "k", hasn't it? A kicking "k". I, s, hiss. What this would be? Oh, there it is. It's the curly "k" here. Curly "k" for a, o, and . So, write a curly "k". So what I'd like you to do is to finish this exercise. Do it on your own and see if you can guess. And then you can check to see whether it's a "k" with a K, kicking "k", or a "k" with a curly "k". Curly "k", I mean. So let's have a look at these words and see if we can spell them right. Cap, k, a, p. Which one would I choose? This one or this one? Short a. I think I know a way that might help you a bit more. Just one moment. Note I've put some colours underneath to help you remember. So I want to spell the word cat. Cat. So would it be this letter or this letter? It's got a short vowel in. Oh, I've left the line there. It's got a short line there. Drag the down. Let's find a t. Cat. Cat. We know it's a curly k because it's got the short sound. So I'm going to put that back. I'm going to put that back there. And I'm just going to pop this down here. Now I'm going to make the word can. K, a, n. K, a, n. Is it this one or this one? This one. Followed by a, short sound, and a n. There you go. K, a, n, can. So let's try k, o, p. We're going to put that one back. K, o, p. Would it be this K or this K? It's this one, isn't it? K, o, p. Cop. K, o, p. Cop. Now I want you to switch that for k, o, t. Would it be this K? Or curly K? Because it's still got that short O sound. You keep the curly K there. K, O. Let's find the P. P. K, O, P. Cop. Let's see if we can make another word. K, O, D. Cod. Again, we've got the O sound. So we keep the O there and we keep the curly K. K, O, D, D, D. Let's grab the D and bring it down. Cod. K, O, D. Okay, I'm going to put that back up there. That down there. Let's make ill. This time, I want you to practice all these words if you can. Use your letter tiles online or use your magnetic letters and follow me. Okay, kill. Now, instead of a or o, it has this sound. Ick, ill. So I bring that one down. And it's got two of these letters. Ill. Ill. Because it's got the is sound. Kicking car. Okay, let's get rid of those. Let's try kiss. K, is. Now again, because it's an I sound, keep this I here. And we keep the kicking car. Is. Let's try this. Kiss. Is. Kiss. Now let's try kid. K, I, d, d, d. So we're keeping this I sound. Do we keep this one or do we use this one? I. Yes, ka, I, da. Kid, kid. And there's other words you can try. So I'd like you to try them all the ones that are on your sheet. Try all of them on your letter tiles so that you get used to it and remembering whether to use a curly cur or a kicking cur. And also, if you write them down on a whiteboard at the same time as you're making these letters and say the sounds, always say the sounds as you drag the letters down or as you're writing them, and then rub it out and say the sounds again so you know. So you could say kicking ka, I, da, kid, or curly ka, pa. So you remember. It's a great way of remembering. So I'm afraid we haven't got a suitable game at the moment. If I do find one, I'll pop it into the group. And I haven't got a sorted activity for this. So the next thing we're going to do is to go on to our reading. So let's go there now. So if you click on the button, you should come to this one that says the sock. And we've got a C and a K together in this word. Click to turn over the pages, hit the arrows. Say these sounds at the beginning. T, s, s, o, g, p, a, I, e, d, k, s. Then let's read these focus words. B, e, d, b, a, g, bag. S, o, k, sock. S, mess. And we have two tricky words. No, n and a o, no, and the. TH and an E on the end says the. Let's turn the page over. So now you can begin your story. Now, I can't read this whole book to you because of copyrights, but I can read one or two pages. So you can read this, I think. That's that word. No. Sock. Look what she's doing. Dragging out all of her clothes so she can find another red sock. Okay, then she's got some questions. Is it on the bed? Look, she's looking everywhere. It isn't there. So there's lots more pages for you to read either on your own or with some adult help. Carry on reading through. I hope you enjoy it and then go to the next book. So if you click on the next button, you should come to this book, The Silver Foil Rocket. Again, there's some sounds for you to practice at the beginning of the book and some words for you to practice. This book is a little bit more progressive than the first book you've just read. So this is for the slightly more confident readers. So it's got lots of ka words in it, curly ka words in it. You might find one or two kicking ka words in it. Somebody's name beginning with ka. Yes. So what you will need to do is to read this on your own. You might be able to click on an audio. Let's see if there is an audio for this. Shall we see? Nope, no audio. Oh.
It was the summer carnival. Wilt's dad was keen to win the cup. This is for the carnival.
There you go.
It was the summer.
Let's just click that off for a minute. There you go. So you can click the audio button if you have difficulty reading it. If you can read it on your own, that's great. So please continue to read this book. So I hope you have enjoyed reading those books and doing the activities today. And I hope to see you on the group online session. And I'll see you in the next tutorial lesson and session. Okay, bye for now.